Hello everyone, good evening. Today here I am with submission for the module 2 of the project which we were doing. The dataset of Play Store apps which was provided by HiCounselor group. So let's see, in this part we are basically dealing with the data visualization. Here we are mainly providing visualization for all the key matrices and KPIs which are required by stakeholders or higher authorities to look at and make some decision on the basis of this. So let's see what KPIs or visualization we have made. It's here average rating and some KPIs related to total apps, total installs, reviews, revenue. I have we have here provided with filters so that we can filter out on the basis of category, sentiment, type, and content rating. We have made bar graphs for top 5 apps by total reviews, installs, and revenue, and chart of total review by sentiment. Also, we have made count of sentiment percentage by category and sentiment, which is a stat bar chart. So let's see one by one. This part is the average rating, which is about 3.6. So if we want to see per particular category, then we can filter it out. Suppose auto. Okay, this I have made overall average rating, so it will not change over here. So here we are having total apps, which is 9,453, revenue 242, approx 242 millions, total installs 74,296 million, total reviews 2072 millions. If you want to check total apps revenue for a particular category, then we can do that by selecting one of them and see, we can see changes happening over there dynamically. So let's see, if we want to see these values on the basis of sentiment, then we can choose one of them. Suppose I choose for neutral, then it will show like this. If I want to see for negative, it will visualize like this. If you want to see for positive, then it's this. Now if you want to see the same changes by the type wise, like if it whether it is free. For free, let's see how many apps are there. 8,717, and total revenue will not change because we have we are only getting revenue from paid portion only, and I have stopped the interaction of this revenue part, so it is showing, still showing the same total installs. Now let's see for paid. So for paid, their total apps are 736. So likewise, there are so many changes happening with the filters. So let's see our first visualization, that is bar chart top 5 apps by total review. So we can see that Facebook is basically the app which is having the highest review. Now let's see by installs. It is game category which is having the highest number of installs. I have not made installs by apps because if we see, there are so many apps that are having about same number of installs and they are higher. So if I do top 5, then all of them will have the similar bar charts or same bar charts for all the apps, which will not help to visualize anything. So let's see total review by sentiment. We can see that neutral is having 421 421 million reviews, positive 576 million, negative 557 million. Top 5 category by revenue, we can see that family category is having the highest number of highest revenue. That means apps from family category is generating the most revenue. After that game, after that finance, after that lifestyle, and then photography. Now if we want to see the count of sentiment percentage for all the three sentiments, that is negative, neutral and positive. Red one here is representing negative, blue is for neutral and green one is for positive. So for art and design, we can see that negative is 13.91 percentage, positive is 17.16 percentage, and positive is neutral is 17.16 and positive is 68.93. So likewise we can see for all the categories which are there over there. Here we can scroll down also because there are many categories, so we have the scroll button over here. So if we now filter, now let's check for all the filters what changes we are getting again. For negative, so for sentiment it will not, it will change our total apps and reviews. So for neutral, top 5 category install changes, category by install changes. Now it is communication instead of game. Here also we are having top 5 category by revenue also changes for neutral. That means for neutral reviews we are having personalization as the top 5. Now let's check for free ones. Now let's check for paid ones. As we can see that for paid ones, top 5 app is Minecraft, Hitman, Sniper, Grand Theft Auto. Top 5 app by reviews. Now top 5 category by installs are game, family, personalization, photography and tools. Top 5 category by revenue is family only, so no changes. And in top 5 and count of sentiment percentage by category and sentiments, we can see that there are only 5 categories for paid apps, that is family, game, medical, personalization and sports. No other categories are having price or they are generating revenues. All of them are free. So let's see for now content rating filter. So we can see that in everyone's content rating we have top 5 apps. So I'll not go through all these content rating filters because it will take time. We can explore that. Now let's see. And one more thing I would like to add is that we can implement all these filters together. Like I have added neutral. Now it's like this. We can do free adults only. Then we can see that only sports category are there for this. So likewise we can do. So thank you guys. I hope you like the project.